Your dream driving setup just got a lot closer. Black Friday is serving up some of the lowest prices of the year on dash cams and in-car tech that actually protect you and capture the ride. If you've been planning to upgrade your dash cam for clearer footage, better night vision, or 24/7 parking protection, these deals make now the right time to move. Today, we're counting down massive Black Friday price drops on top-rated dash cams and multi-channel systems chosen for clarity, features, and value you'll notice right away. All product links are in the description, and for live hourly updates, visit thedetailedguide.com. Let's dive in. Number 20. OMBAR T1 4K 3-channel dash cam. Compact triple-channel recording at an aggressive price. Now $119.99 was $259.97. This 4K front plus two 1080p channel setup gives wide coverage for car, cabin, and rear. It's a budget-friendly option if you want full-color HDR night vision and a free 128GB card included. Number 19. 4-channel dashcam 360 view. All-around coverage for blind spots and side impacts. Now $119.98 was $189.99. 4 lenses give near complete vehicle coverage with built-in GPS and loop recording to keep footage organized. Good choice for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants maximum situational awareness. Number 18. Vantrue N4 Pro S 4K 3-channel dashcam. Triple Starvis 2 sensors for clear daytime and night recording. Now $265.99 was $399.99. 4K front plus inside and rear channels deliver detailed evidence if you need it, with parking mode and Wi-Fi for quick clip downloads. If you want pro-level captures without the highest price, this one fits. Number 17. Garmin Dashcam X110. Compact and easy to mount with a reliable 140-degree view. Now $149.99 was $199.99. Automatic recording and a built-in polarizer improve clarity and reduce glare. And Garmin's stable software makes file management painless. Number 16. VIOFO A229 Pro. 3-channel 4K HDR dashcam. Triple-channel system with dual Starvis sensors. Now $246.99 was $359.99. 4K front, 2K inside, and 1080p rear give full coverage and strong night performance, plus 5 GHz Wi-Fi for faster downloads. If you just joined, we're counting down the biggest Black Friday dash cam savings. Find every link in the description. Number 15. Vantrue N5S 360 4K dashcam. Surround coverage for maximum situational awareness. Now $279.99 was $499.99. 4 channels and IR night vision capture left, right, inside, and front views to eliminate blind spots. Great for commercial fleets or drivers who want total coverage. Number 14. Vantrue N4S 3-channel dashcam. Balanced 3-channel performance at a lower price point. Now $179.99 offers a strong front, inside, rear setup with Starvis 2 sensitivity and reliable parking mode, making it a practical mid-range pick. Number 13. Vantrue 7S Pro Max AI 4K plus 4K. AI features with dual 4K recording for high detail. Now $239.99 was $329.99. With ADAS and Pix Night Vision tech, it's aimed at drivers who want advanced detection plus crisp front and rear video for maximum clarity. Next is a versatile all-in-one CarPlay dash display.
Number 12. Vantrue E360 Panoramic 2-channel dashcam. Fisheye front plus inside fisheye for extreme field of view. Now $139.99 was $199.99. Dual fisheye lenses provide near 420-degree coverage for unusual mounting setups and action-style capture. Great if you need a single unit that watches everything. Number 11. Vantrue F1 Motorcycle 4K dashcam. Rugged, waterproof 4K camera built for two-wheelers. Now $279.99 was $399.99. IP67 rating and a wired remote make this perfect for riders who need dependable footage in harsh weather. Number 10. Baseus VD1 Pro Solar Dashcam. Perfect for hands-free parking and solar-assisted power. Now $104.48 was $169.99. Solar charging and Starvis night vision make this a low-maintenance pick for drivers who want continuous monitoring without constant hardwiring. Lightweight and voice controllable, it's an easy upgrade for peaceful overnight coverage. Number 9. Rove R3 3-channel dashcam. 3-channel setup with fast download speeds. now $159.99, was $299.99. A touchscreen and quad mode GPS make it easy to review footage and keep accurate travel logs.
Number 8. Carpuride 4K W903 Portable Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto with Dashcam. Large screen plus 4K front camera for integrated infotainment. Now $132.99, was $219.99. If you want dashcam footage and CarPlay and Android Auto in one unit, this dashboard-mounted solution gives modern connectivity with loop recording.
Number 7. Vantrue 7S Pro Dual 1440p. High-frame dual-channel performance for smooth capture. Now $118.99, was $199.99. 60 FPS support and Starvis 2 sensors produce clearer motion footage, which helps when you need readable license plates at speed. Number 6. VIOFO 8229 Plus Dashcam. Balanced 2-channel HDR performer with ultra-precise GPS. Now $159.99, was $249.99. Excellent GPS accuracy and dual Starvis 2 sensors give consistent low-light footage and reliable location data for insurance or legal needs.
Number 5. AZDOME 360 4-channel Dashcam. 4 adjustable lenses for custom coverage. Now $188.99, was $299.99. Built-in 128 GB eMMC and voice control simplify setup while providing broad coverage for family cars and commercial vehicles.
Number 4. 70mm 4K T800 Dual 4K Dashcam. Dual 4K capture with AI motion detection and LTE options. Top-tier resolution on both front and inside sensors, plus ADAS and optional connectivity for remote alerts. A powerful choice for those who want premium footage and smart features. Number 3. REDTIGER F77 Premium Dual 4K Style. High-res dual recording with built-in storage. Now $225.62, was $399.99. Built-in memory and HDR night vision minimize setup fuss while delivering detailed evidence for incidents. Number 2. VIOFO A229 Pro 4K HDR Dashcam. One of the most value-based 4K plus 2K dual-channel systems. Now $219.99, was $348.99. Excellent low-light Starvis performance, HDR, and fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi make it a top contender for drivers who want real-world clarity and quick clip access. And now the moment you've been waiting for. Number 1. 70mm 4K T800 3-channel Dashcam. The most compelling mix of resolution, features, and value on this list. Now $299.99, was $410.99. With dual 2060p sensors and a full interior channel, plus Wi-Fi 6 and 24H parking mode, it balances extreme clarity and robust monitoring for drivers who want the best footage without breaking the bank. That concludes our countdown of these exceptional Black Friday dashcam savings. If you found this helpful, please like this video, leave a comment with the deal you're most interested in, and subscribe for more valuable content. All product links are in the description, and for live hourly updates, visit thedetailedguide.com.